हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्कॉलर्स वर्ल्ड। आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्कॉलर्स वर्ल्ड पर स्वागत है। तो स्टूडेंट्स, कल आपका साइंस का पेपर है। आपके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा। आप प्लीज इसे एंड तक देखिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एसिडिक इन नेचर। आपके ऑप्शंस हैं एप्पल जूस, लाइम वाटर, सोप सॉल्यूशन, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट। तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा एप्पल जूस। Move to next question. NaOH is a strong base because it is can be oxidized, gives OH minus ions, can turn blue litmus dark red, all of the above. तो आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। What is the difference in water of crystallization of washing soda and gypsum? तो आपके ऑप्शंस हैं 2, 4, 8, 1। So the correct answer is 8. Move to next question. Which of the following is an amphiteric oxide? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं Na2O, SO2, CaO, Al2O3. So the correct answer is Al2O3. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, glucose. So the correct answer is water. Which of the following colors is least scattered by fog, dust and smoke? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं violet, blue, red, yellow. So the correct answer is red. The effect of glass prism is only to separate 7 colors of white light, light from bulb, sunlight, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. The filtration units of kidneys are called ureter, urethra, neurons, nephrons. So the correct answer is nephrons. What prevents backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction? आपके ऑप्शन है valves in heart, thick muscular walls of ventricles, thin walls of atria, all of the above. So the correct answer is A. Of the aqueous solution listed below, which would be the best conductor of an electric current? HCl, HCl, H3PO4, HOX, CH3COOH. So the correct answer is HCl. The pH of the gastric juices released during digestion is less than 7, more than 7, equal to 7, equal to 0. So the correct answer is less than 7. Power of a concave lens of focal length 50 centimeter is minus 2D, minus 0.D, plus 2D, plus 0.5D. So the correct answer is A. When the sunlight enters at atmosphere, the colors which scatters first are called, ये आपके ऑप्शंस हैं violet, indigo and blue, blue and green, red, orange, yellow, only red. So the correct answer is A. Next question है, in order to obtain a magnification of minus 0.6 with a concave mirror, the object must be placed at the F, between P and F, between F and C, beyond C. So the correct answer is D, beyond C. Next question. When magnesium ribbon burned, it produces magnesium hydroxide, magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride, magnesium carbonate. So the correct answer is magnesium oxide. Which of the following acid does not react with metals? Sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, nitric acid. So the correct answer is carbonic acid. Plaster of Paris is obtained by adding water to calcium sulfate, by adding sulfuric acid to calcium hydroxide, by adding gypsum to a very high temperature, by adding gypsum to 373 K. So the correct answer is D. Next question. Which of the following metal reacts with water oblique steam to produce oxide instead of hydroxide? आपके एग्जाम्पल हैं सोडियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम. So the correct answer is magnesium. The least malleable is aluminium, silver, gold, carbon. So the correct answer is carbon. Which of the following will make basic oxide on reacting with oxygen? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं फॉस्फोरस, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, both B and C. So the correct answer is both B and C. Which of the following gives nitrogen dioxide on reacting with concentrated nitric acid? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं Pb, Cl, Al, K. So the correct answer is Pb. Next question है, when a plane mirror is rotated through a certain angle, the reflected ray turns through twice or more or much, and the size of image is doubled, half, becomes infinite, remains same. So the correct answer is remains same. On heating copper powder, it gets coated with white copper oxide, yellow copper oxide, red copper oxide, black copper oxide. So the correct answer is D, black copper oxide. The magnification M of an image formed by a spherical mirror is negative. It means the size is smaller than the object, larger than the object, erect, inverted. So the correct answer is inverted. Which of the following phenomena of light are involved in the formation of a rainbow? Reflection, refraction, and dispersion. Refraction, dispersion, and scattering. Refraction, dispersion, and internal reflection. Dispersion, scattering, reflection. So the correct answer is C. A person uses a convex lens of focal length 20 cm in spectacles. The power of lens will be minus 5D, plus 5D, plus 2D, minus 2D. So the correct answer is plus 5D. Move to next question. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, esophagus. So the correct answer is small intestine. The major gases excretory product of plant is carbon dioxide, oxygen, alkaloids, gums. Correct answer is oxygen. The image of an object, real, inverted, and smaller in size if it is placed before a mirror, which is convex, concave, plane, none of the above. So the correct answer is concave. Magnification produced by blank lens is always less than 1. आपके ऑप्शंस हैं कॉनकेव, कॉन्वेक्स, एनी, सिलेंड्रिकल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज कॉनकेव. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.